you from Arogya World. This is our My Thali team. Arogya World is an NGO that works for preventing non-communicable diseases, especially diabetes. And My Thali is one of its programs where we talk about healthy living, healthy eating, how to balance your meals, how to make healthier choices when you go out to eat. So today, this Run in Red event is specially to create awareness about physical activity for women's heart health. So we welcome you all. We have Shema and Priya here. Shema, you want to say something?
Hello everybody. It's so lovely seeing all of you wear red for her. Thank you so much for coming here. You know, when we tried to start with this initiative, we were like, are women really going to come in a red sari? Are we going to get a lot of people coming here in red? And seeing this right now, thank you so much. It really empowers us. It empowers us to see all of you here. We're looking forward to a really exciting event. If you need to know any more details about My Thali, please visit our booth. We have some wonderful, fantastic partners on the side here doing health screenings. Please do get yourself screened. It's really important, and early detection can make so much of a difference to you. And while we might be a nutrition program, this is our only chance of the year to do physical activity. So we're excited to run in red with all of you. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I know it's really difficult to wake up on a Sunday and get ready and be here, but thank you so much all of you for coming so early. And to get more tips on nutrition and NGDs, you please follow. We are on Instagram. You can follow my.thali on Instagram. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Over to you, Karthik. Thank you. Have fun.
Thank you so much. Okay, women need to do better. Have a loud round of applause and cheer for the men here. It's not every day that they get up so early just to back somebody, not do their own physical activity, right? It takes a lot to sacrifice their physical activity so that they can have fun with you, basically.
ಸರ್, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ನಾವು ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೀರೆ ಉಟ್ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 6 ಗಂಟೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ನಮ್ಮ ಜಯನಗರ್ MLA ಸರ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಕೇಳೋಣ.
ಜಯನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ಇವತ್ತು ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿಯಿಂದ ವಾಗ್ದಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ರೆಡ್ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಇದೇ ಥರ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಇಡೀ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಬೇಕು. ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಇದು ಈ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ವಿಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಜಾಗೃತಿ ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು, ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ. ಈ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ನೀವು ಸುಮಾರು ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ ಜಯನಗರ್ ಜಾಗ್ವಾರ್ಸ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದಾನು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಈ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಳು ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗ್ಲಿ.
3, 2, 1, and stop. Let's repeat deltoid circle. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Very good, last 20 seconds more. Let's go, feel it on the back side of the leg. Just bend, swipe, and come on, right and left. Last 15 more seconds. Very good, come on. Last 10. Three, 2, 1, and stop. Let's repeat deltoid circle. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Extend sideways. Very nice. Keep going, keep going. Opposite side now. Opposite side. Let's go, let's go. Last 10 more seconds. Three, 2, 1, and stop. Hip circle. 3, 2, 1, go. Very good, come on. Last 10. Three, 2, 1, and stop. Let's repeat deltoid circle. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Extend sideways. Very nice. Keep going, keep going.
Louder, people. Who do you run for? This is going to be the loudest. Who do you run for? Woo!
Switch. Next one. Twist, twist, come on. Twist. Let's go. We have 15 more minutes. Come on, come on, come on. Last 10 more. Keep moving. No stopping. Come on. Very good. Okay. Heels up and down. Heel up and down. Can you stretch up? Heel up.
Mudrika. Mudrika.
That's a very different kind of name. Mudrika. Mudrika.
M-U-D-R-I.
What does it mean?
Ring.
Ring. Okay, wonderful. Yeah.
Yeah, it was a wonderful experience. Especially, I like the theme that running in RAV, especially supporting heart of the woman, which is very, very necessary. And it was really fun. We have come around 10 plus women to the society, and we keep participating in such group runs. Recently, last week we finished 10K run in Bangalore, Kandirava Stadium, and it is always nice to run with all the women together.
Fantastic, fantastic. Let's hear it for her and her group. So are women from your group already here? Oh wow, wonderful. Let's hear it. Why don't all of you show your hands basically? Whoever is from Mudrika's group actually.
Go back.
Very nice.
She's a cardiologist, works with at Manipal. She's a resident cardiologist at Manipal. She's our special guest today. She holds they have multiple publications and papers.
Take it sideways as much as you can. Come on, feel it on the hip. Very good. Let's go, let's go.
Wear red and join the Red Saree Challenge to support women's heart health.